Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Alvin Darmawan. I will give my opinion about Indonesia versus Bahrain match in the World Cup qualification 2026. The Bahrain versus Indonesia match that ended 2-2 at the Bahrain National Stadium on Thursday, October 6, 2024, is still a hot topic of conversation for football lovers in the country. The talk is not about Indonesia's failure to secure the 3 points that were in the sight of the pure performance of referee Ahmed Al-Kaf, who led the match on the field, but also the course of the game, which was less too fun to watch because often Bahrain players deliberately failed to stall for time to get the attention and advantage of the referee. This was really detrimental to Indonesia, who were 1-0 down. My opinion, Bahrain match versus Indonesia was the worst match day during the third round of the 2026 World Cup Premier League Asian Zone for Group C. So, with this result, Indonesia must be willing to be thrown into fifth place below Bahrain in the Group C on World Cup Qualification 2026. Jadi, intinya pada pertandingan Bahrain versus Indonesia yang dilaksanakan pada 10 Oktober 2024 lalu menimbulkan banyak kontroversi, terutama kepemimpinan wasit Ahmed Al-Kaf. Indonesia tertinggal lebih dahulu oleh tendangan bebas pemain Bahrain dari jarak jauh. Setelah Bahrain unggul, Bahrain mulai melakukan permainan kotornya, yaitu diving atau pura-pura terjatuh, padahal itu pemain Indonesia tidak melakukan pelanggaran keras. Nah, babak pertama usai 1-0. Lalu, di babak kedua Indonesia berbalik keunggulan yang dicetak oleh Rafael Strijk dan Indonesia unggul 1-2. Dan 9 menit akhir saat Indonesia masih memimpin 1-2, Indonesia harus mempertahankan keunggulannya untuk mendapatkan 3 poin. Di menit-menit akhir, wasit memberikan tambahan 6 menit yang seharusnya pada menit 96 itu sudah meniup peluit panjang berakhirnya pertandingan. Namun, wasit tetap melanjutkan pertandingan hingga menit ke-99, bahkan menuju 100. Dan alhasil Indonesia harus kebobolan di menit akhir menjadi skor 2-2. Dan dengan hasil ini, Indonesia harus puas berbagi angka 1 poin dan berada di peringkat kelima di bawah Bahrain dengan mengumpulkan 3 poin. Dan setelah itu banyak menimbulkan kontroversial, pemain, pelatih, ataupun protes ke wasit. Tapi wasit pun tetap itu adalah hasil yang bulat. Maybe mungkin ini saja yang pendapat saya sampaikan. Thank you to watch my video. Good luck everyone. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alvin Darmawan from Bina Sarana Informatika University Dewi Sartika. Today I will presentation about the question words. What is the question word? Apa itu kata tanya? Question words are English integrative words begin with words. Kata tanya itu adalah bahasa kalimat yang berawalan dengan WH words atau kata tanya. What is the function of question words? Apa sih fungsi dari kata tanya? Question words are used by someone to ask for information, to which the interlocutor must provide a clear answer. In English, it's also known as an open question. Jadi, kata tanya itu berfungsi untuk menanyakan sesuatu. The next, ini adalah example of question word. Ini adalah contoh dari kata tanya. Where the bag? Di mana tasnya? It's in the room next the receptionist. Di ruang sebelah kamar resepsionis. What are the question words? Apa aja sih macam-macam kata tanya? These are 9 words include in question words. Ada 9. Namely, what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. The what, apa, when, kapan, where, di mana, who, siapa, which, yang mana, whom, dengan siapa, how, bagaimana. Okay, the first is what atau apa. What is need to ask about things. What is an integrative word that functions to ask about something or someone. Jadi, kata tanya itu berfungsi untuk menanyakan sesuatu hal yang berkaitan dengan seseorang. Example, what are you doing? Apa yang kamu lakukan? What's your name? Siapa namamu? What are you thinking? Apa yang sedang kau pikirkan? What time is it? Sedang waktunya apa sekarang? What should I do? Apa yang harus kita lakukan? Next is where. Di mana? If you want to find information about the location, a place, destination, set, position of someone or something, of course, the right question word is to where. Jadi, kalimat tanya ini cocok untuk menanyakan sesuatu tentang tempat, tujuan, atau posisi dari seseorang. Example, where do they live? Di mana mereka tinggal? Where is your parents? Di mana orang tuamu? Where is my handphone? Di mana handphoneku? Where are you headed? Kemana kamu pergi? Atau kamu mau pergi kemana? Where should I do? Di mana aku harus parkir? Next, why atau kenapa atau mengapa. This one question words function as a variation of the finder. Kalimat tanya ini berfungsi sebagai pencari alasan atau penyebab. Example, why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintaiku? Why did it happen? Mengapa itu terjadi? Why are you crying? Mengapa kamu menangis? Why is he laughing? Mengapa dia tertawa? Why did you come late? Kenapa kamu datang terlambat? Next, number 4 is when. When used to ask about the time when something happened. Di kalimat tanya ini digunakan untuk menanyakan terjadinya sesuatu. Example, when do you finish college? Kapan kamu selesai kuliah? When does the taxi arrive? Kapan taksi tiba? When did she leave? Kapan dia pergi? When will get fix my bicycle? Kapan ayah akan memperbaiki sepedaku? When will the meeting start? Kapan rapat akan dimulai? Next, number 5 is which. Atau yang mana. Which is a word for asking or making a choice about time, about items, colors, opinion. Jadi, which ini untuk menanyakan tentang pendapat, entah itu barang, warna, dan lain-lain. Example, which color do you want? Warna apa yang kamu inginkan? Which competition do you join in? Lomba mana yang kamu ingin kamu ikuti? Which one do you prefer? iOS or Android? Kamu lebih pilih yang mana? iOS atau Android? Of all the drinks on the menu, which would you like? Dari semua minuman yang ada di menu, yang mana yang kamu suka? Which one do you choose, the left or right? Yang mana yang kamu pilih, yang kiri atau kanan? Next, number 6 is who. Who is a word to ask about people or person or subject. Who ini adalah kata tanya untuk menanyakan orang atau subjek. Example, contohnya, who opened the door? Siapa yang buka pintu? Who are you? Siapa kamu? Who is your favorite singer? Siapa penyanyi favoritmu? Who is your boyfriend? Siapa pacarmu? Who owns this bag? Punya siapa tas ini? Next is whom. If whom is used to ask about people who have the status of a subject, then whom is a type of question word for people who have a position on subject or reception of the action of the subject. Example, whom are you going to meet? Dengan siapa kamu bertemu? Whom did you see in the morning? Siapa yang kamu lihat pada pagi hari tadi? Whom should we send the information to? Pada siapa kita harus mengirim undangan? Whom was Teddy talking to? Jadi berbicara dengan siapa? Whom will you marry? Kamu akan menikah dengan siapa? Next, number 8 is whose. Whose is a question word to ask about possession. Kata tanya ini untuk menanyakan tentang kepemilikan. Example, contohnya, whose are this novel? Punya siapa novel-novel ini? Whose car is that? Mobil siapa itu? Whose wallet is this? Is it yours? Punya siapa dompet ini? Apakah punya kamu? Whose turn is it? Giliran siapa sekarang? Whose bracelet are you wearing? Gelang siapa yang kamu pakai? And the last question word is how. Bagaimana. Also applies to asking about price, duration, frequency, age. distance, or quality. Biasanya untuk menanyakan kondisi, durasi, usia, jarak, dan lain-lain. Example, how can you explain this problem? Please tell us. Bagaimana kau bisa menjelaskan masalah ini? Tolong beritahu kami ya. How far is Texas from New York? Berapa jarak antara Texas ke New York? How much money do you have? Berapa banyak uang yang kamu punya? How often you go on vacation in year? Seberapa sering kamu pergi liburan selama setahun? How to form question words. Bagaimana cara membuat kata tanya? First, question words with auxiliary verb. Formula is we have plus auxiliary verb, to be, do, or have plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. Example, when are you leaving? Kapan kamu pergi? Where do they live? Di mana mereka tinggal? What have they decided? Apa yang mereka putuskan? Next, number 2 is question word with modal. Formula we have plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. Example, who will he stay with? Dengan siapa kamu tinggal? What should I do? Apa yang harus saya lakukan? Why should we read books? Mengapa kita harus membaca buku? Number 3, interrogative sentence without auxiliary verb, modal verb. Formula we have plus main verb plus question mark. Example, who won the game? Siapa yang memenangkan permainannya? Whose phone rang? HP siapa yang berbunyi? Who bought this? Siapa yang membawa ini? Next is negative question words. Number 1, positive integrative sentence without auxiliary. Example, who wants an ice cream? Which door? Open it. Number 2, negative integrative sentence with auxiliary verb. Example, who doesn't want an ice cream? Which doors did it open? Next, this is a sample question. Contoh soal. Number 1, blank 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 is your name. The answer is B. What? Siapa namamu? Next, number 2, blank 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 is the nearest library location. The answer is B. Where? Di mana lokasi perpustakaan? Number 3, blank 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 book is on the table. The answer is whose. Siapa yang punya buku di atas meja? Number 4, blank 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 of these countries is in South America. The answer is which. Yang mana salah satu negara di Amerika Selatan? Number 5 is blank 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 is the lead singer of the band Queen. The answer is A. Who. Siapa pemimpin dari band Queen? Next, number 6. To blank 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 did you lend your umbrella? The answer is C. Whom. Number 7. Blank 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 do you use the microwave? The answer is A. How. Bagaimana caramu menggunakan microwave? Number 8. Blank 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 did you decide to study in Japan? The answer is why. Why? Mengapa kamu memutuskan untuk belajar di Jepang? And the last number 9. Blank 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 does the movie start? The answer is when. Kapan filmnya dimulai?
Sekian presentasi dari saya. Thank you for watching. Good luck and see you.